भारतीय रेफ्रिजरेटिंग आणि वातानुकूलित अभियंत्याच्या संस्थेन शुक्रारा गोंयांत टेक फेस्ट 2017 आयोजीत केल्ले. ह्या सुवाळ्याक मानाचे सोयरे म्हूण गोंयचे मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हजर आशिल्ले. ISHRAE चे प्रतिश्ठीत सहसंचालक समुद्र उद्योगांतल्या HVAC&R खातीर संदी दितात. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली.
With air conditioning, if you see, the functioning aspect has remained constant. It's basically an heat exchanger. Can we think of something which actually changes the full concept of the current air conditioning? I was trying to brainstorm while I was coming here, and I feel many ways nature work can be considered for at least doing the primary work of a big air conditioner. Pre-cool the air to a level using some technologies which are less energy intensive, and then use that pre-cooled air for cooling it further. Anyway, I will just raise the issues I felt very important in today's world, and I would request your engineering wing. The last one is skill development. Now that needs real jump up. We have so many ACs now getting into the system that unless we have skilled people, today we don't get plumbers, we don't get electricians. After a few days we will not get AC mechanic. So I think the organization can at least take this aspect as a immediate important aspect of training and skill developing manpower beyond ITIs. Because ITIs may not be able to generate enough number as required. Because the taste of people are changing. Even the Tier 2, Tier 3 city, the people are shifting for AC. I saw AC, as I said, that you see a dish, a fridge, a TV and a AC in the house. Even if the house otherwise is in poor condition. So these are becoming slowly essential items, and it can generate lakhs and lakhs of employment. So skill development center or an institute with branches all around can be a very good option which the society can start.
So we are here for Tech Fest, and the theme, as we all know, is maritime, shipping, and what is happening in that sector from the point of view of air conditioning and refrigeration. Normally in our country, air conditioning and refrigeration is associated with home, factories, offices, and not much has been talked about in the maritime sector. So when Goa chapter actually came up and said that we want to do a dedicated seminar on this sector, we all felt good because we are going much more customized and keeping in mind the view of the current government, where they are going on the Make in India and improving the entire infrastructure, which is a very, very big emphasis for the country right now. Maritime is becoming the thing for the tomorrow.